Okay, so today we're going to be talking about prefixes and suffixes. On the Khan Academy, they're just called affixes, which, I mean, that's correct. That's kind of a catch-all term, but then there are broken up. There's two kinds of affixes, prefixes and suffixes. And we'll go over the difference in a minute. But just to start off with the definition of it, an affix is just a group of letters that change the meaning of a word. It's very simple, but it's one of those things, once you can break it down, it'll help you understand the meaning of a word. Like I said, it changes the meaning. So if I had the word color, yeah, everybody knows what color means. This shirt has kind of a reddish maroon color to it. We know what color means. But if we add a suffix to the end, we add FUL, that makes it colorful. And so now that is a whole different word. Color is talking about the shade of something. But now colorful is saying that something has a lot of color. There's red in the white. I got black on my watch. There's a lot of color. It's colorful. So we just changed the meaning of the word by adding a suffix to it. And the easiest way to keep up with it is that a prefix has pre in it. Now, if you can remember that, that's easy, because pre means before, and then fix means to attach. So I mean, that's what prefix means, is to attach something to the front of the word. So that prefix comes before the root word. And the root word is just like the base word that we're talking about. So for this example, the root word here is going to be used. And we know used, like a used car, somebody has owned it before, somebody has used it, it's not new. Somebody has used it. But let's add the prefix un, and we just changed it. Used means somebody has used it, but unused means nobody has used it. So just by adding those two letters, we completely changed the meaning of this word. And so that would be a prefix at the beginning. Like I said, the other one is the suffix, which comes after the root word. So in this example, our root word is going to be work. And so we know that means to exert, to do something, to work. But if we said worker, now we know a worker is somebody who does the work, and it would be the same with teacher or builder. There's that root word plus the ER just means somebody who does this. So like I said, worker, builder, teacher, dancer, anything like that. You add the ER, that means a person who does something. So again, two letters, we just change the meaning of the word. And now some words can have both. There's not a rule that says if you have a prefix, you cannot have a suffix. You can have both. And so this example, we have the root word help. We have the prefix un, which means not, and the suffix full, like we do with colorful, which means full. So right there, we went from help, and if we did helpful, that'd be somebody who's full of help. But then if we kick in that un, we change it, not full of help. So just like that. And I mean, that's honestly the concept. If you're unsure about the meaning of a word, you can break it down into those pieces. You can look for that root word, any affixes, break them into pieces, and figure out the meaning of the word. It's very simple. Like I said, all these examples, I wanted to keep it simple just where y'all have a good idea of the concept before we start working on the quiz and the Khan Academy.